Hi, I'm Michelle from Modern House Numbers. One of the most common questions we get from customers is which adhesive should I use when installing our new numbers? That's a great question. So I'm here at our local hardware store and I'm in the aisle of adhesives. We suggest looking at and using epoxy. You want an epoxy that's exterior grade, one that has a strong bond, that will withstand the elements no matter where you live, no matter what season it is. You're also looking for quick drying and clear drying, just in case it gets a little messy. Any of these would work perfectly. We suggest staying away from glues or caulks. You could also use a construction grade adhesive. That would work just as well. So remember, when installing your new numbers, use a exterior grade epoxy, one that dries quickly, dries clearly, and has a strong bond. Easy, you got this.